Recording at 7051 10th Avenue Northwest. 7051 10th Avenue Northwest. Looking at the city main here. Going to be coming back in 6-inch diameter pipe. Looks like we have a pretty significant hole here on the top of the pipe. This is in the 6-inch diameter line. I'm going to go locate this spot right now. This spot is located in the front yard, about 7 feet deep. There's a tie-in connection on the right-hand side of the pipe there. The bottom of this pipe looks pretty worn, very aggregate. Looks like maybe some minor cracking on the left side. Looks like some seam separation or cracking on the top left there. It's kind of hard to tell an untrained eye, but you can see the bottom of the pipe looks like there's rocks sitting there. That's the aggregate. That's why all the sand and debris is holding up from the original break back by the house.